and bring them into the camera and just have a fun snow day. How's everybody doing? You guys want to see the snowboard or what? And then I'm gonna get some shots up right here behind me. All right, chat. Well, chat. How we feeling, chat? This is my board. It's a Duke's board, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you have a snowboard or you have skis, what board you have. But this is the one I use just for some outdoorsy stuff. One I don't really care too much about.